Hi there. I'm going to show you something called the Lucky 7 division algorithm. It's a way of doing division that's really convenient because it lets you record all of your steps in a very easy to read and easy to use format. So let's start with something fairly simple. Let's say that I have 35 cookies. There's my tasty looking cookies. I'm going to share those evenly with some friends of mine. They're my friends, and we're going to say that I've got 5 friends. The way I'm going to set that up is over here. Off to the side, I'm going to say, well, I have 5 friends, and I have 35 cookies. So let's start by just giving each of my friends a single cookie. If I give them each one, and there are 5 friends, that means I'm giving out 5 from my collection of 35. I can subtract the 5 like this, and that leaves 30 in my collection of cookies. If I give each of them another 1 cookie, that would be 5 more cookies out of my collection of 30 cookies. That's going to leave me with 25 cookies. Now I could keep going one at a time, but it's a little bit slow, so I'm going to try doing 2 cookies at a time. I know that if I give each of my 5 friends 2 cookies, I would lose 10 out of my collection, and that's going to leave 15 cookies. I could give another 2 cookies to each friend. That would be another 10 cookies gone from my collection, which would leave 5 cookies. And lastly, that means I can give them each just 1 single cookie. If I give each friend 1 single cookie, that would be 5 more missing from my collection, and I have none left over. Over on this side, I can now add up how many cookies I gave to each friend each turn. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. 7 cookies per friend. Not bad. Let's see if I can do something a little bit larger. I'm a teacher, so let's do something that teachers use a lot, and let's say that I have 376 pencils. I'm just going to write a P for pencil. And I have a bunch of students. Let's say that I have 9 students. I'll just write an S for students here. I'm going to go ahead and set up the algorithm the same way. 9 students. I'm sharing 376 pencils with them. Now, I could give each student 1 to start with. That would be 9 out of my collection. That would leave me 367 pencils. That's obviously going to be kind of slow, so I'm going to speed things up quite a bit. Let's say that I give each student 10 pencils. That's going to be 90 pencils that I give out of my collection. And that's going to leave me a total of 277 pencils. Not bad. I'm going a little bit faster. Let's see if I can go faster than that. How about if I give 20 pencils to each student? That's going to be 180 pencils that I give out. And if I subtract that, I'm left with 97 pencils. Pretty good. I can give 10 pencils out again, which will take out 90 from that collection. It'll leave me 7 pencils as a remainder. So my answer is 1 plus 10 is 11, plus 20 is 31, plus 10 is 41 pencils with a remainder of 7.